My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Julypromob2.click. So, Julypromob2.click is indeed a deceptive site that attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. The website tries to trick its visitors into clicking on a special Proceed button in order to make them download and install some potentially unwanted software. Julypromob2.click indicates that the computer is infected and that people need to download and install some urgent update. Now, interacting with these pop-ups may force you to download a lot of potentially unwanted software. Furthermore, your browser may also be hijacked with some other pop-up ads that will keep attacking the screen. Well, unfortunately, some of these ads are pretty filthy and not suitable for some categories of people, so I have hidden this bad content from your eyes. To deactivate these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, then choose Privacy and Security, scroll down to Site Settings, go to Permissions, choose Notifications, and research the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Make sure you remove any junk sites that could be causing such pop-ups on your computer screen. This should help you fix the issue manually, but I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then begin thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.